Diagrams.net is a free-to-use application that allows you to easily create diagrams directly in your web browser or on a desktop-based software. And you can create diagrams such as flowcharts or any process diagrams easily. So to get started, you can go around onto a web browser of your choice and then type in diagrams.net and you get onto this page. So in order to get started right in your web browser, you can either click the start button that you see right here or here, just like this, or you can go around and download and install out a desktop version of the software as well. But let's just go around and quickly access out diagrams.net by clicking on the start button right here, and let's see what happens. So it says it's loading out, and then you can directly see that diagrams.net integrates with different cloud storage services like Google Drive and OneDrive, and even in this device, as you can see, or Dropbox. In my case, I am signed in onto my Google account, so I'm just going to select Google Drive right here. And you can see that in the beginning, it asks me to authorize out Google Drive so that diagrams.net can access my Google Drive files. So I'm just going to go around and click on authorize, and I'm going to select my account right here. And once I do that, I do need to allow permissions for diagrams.net to connect itself to Google Drive and see, edit, and delete the files right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on continue right here. And once I do that, you can see Google Drive has been connected onto diagrams.net right here. And I can go around and click on open existing diagram or create a new diagram right here. Let me just go ahead and quickly create a new diagram. Click on blank diagram and click on create right here. And I'm just going to use the root folder and click on yes. And then what happens is that a new file is created right here. So you can see that this is what you have, and you now have access to diagrams.net. So in this tutorial series, we're going to see the various options provided by the application for you to work around with different shapes and options so that you can go around and create out diagrams as per how you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.